Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing another video with a company called EB. They reached out to me and asked if I'd like to collaborate with them again, and I said sure, be happy to. So EB specializes in washi tape sets and other junk journaling supplies, and I chose two products from their website. Let's go through the washi tape set first. This is a 23 roll set of tapes. They call it Starry Divination, and it is actually already on sale with the company. And with my code, The House of Jane, you're going to get an additional 30% off. So I'll leave all the details in the description box. There are 23 tapes in this box, and I thought I would do a rollout type of swatch for you. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So let me show you every single washi tape in this set. So those are the washi tapes. I was sitting here and I started thinking, what can I do with some of the strips that I made? So I have a really cool punch that is a tab punch. And I cut it out of here. And let me show you how it's done. This is one of my new finds from Amazon. It makes perfect tabs. You just put in like this. And let's see if we have enough space to make this tab. And I can squeeze one more right over here. Beautiful. So you just take your tab. I have like a journal right here. I can keep it on this paper backing, or I could peel it off. I can peel it off like so. Then I can just stick it in a page in my journal. Let's try this out. I don't know, maybe I wouldn't peel it off. Maybe I would just glue the paper on so it'd be a little bit more sturdy. But you would just fold it in half. And there, you have a perfect tab on a journal page. So I made another one. And I think what I would just do with this one is fold it in half. And then glue it onto a page in a journal like that. So that's a really cool way to use them. Let's do a couple more because I'm really digging these tabs and they're cutting so nicely. Look at that. And let's see if I can squeeze one out more over here. I don't know. Let's try over here. I'm going to start at one end so I can do a little bit better job. Oh, wow, look at that one. That one is so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. I'll leave a link down below to this tab. I actually saw another journaler use it on her channel. I can't remember who. And I was inspired to buy one myself. Let's do one more. And then I want to show you some other things you can do with this washi tape. Let's get one more of these. I can just squeeze it out right there. Beautiful. This is my favorite new thing, is this tab punch right here. I'll leave it in the description box. And then I have another tab, another hole punch that makes tags. I actually did a video on this probably a couple of years ago. You can make 3 separate size tags. So I did this one, and then I cut the paper to 2.5 inch size right here. Let's try that one. I just see a little finicky area I want to get right on the corner. Okay, let's do this one real quick. Kind of like ease it in there. And you got to keep it in between these 2 little slots right here. I'll just get that. And there, got a nice little tag. And you can put a string through there. You can decorate it some more. I have one here that's, I believe this is 1 inch, 1.5 inches. So we'll get that in there and see how that comes out. Very nice. And yeah, I made this one off camera. And then I cut this out. Let's do another, this looks like 2.5 inch. I like easy. This is easy. Okay, that came out pretty good. Let me just cut this little piece off here. Actually, these are the wrong scissors. There, you got little gift tags. So those are some ideas that you can use with that. You can use a circle punch. You can use these, or you can even just cut it out. So here are just some ideas. And then the last thing I'm going to show you in this video is the stamp set. This is a set of 8 stamps. They call it the Retro Tex stamp set. And I just checked its price. It's a little pricey. It's $29.29, but I do have a 30% off coupon. If you're interested, maybe this will go on sale, and then you can use the sale price plus the coupon. I can read some of these, but like this says the best wishes for you. I think it says blessing. This one, nothing seek, nothing find. I don't know. Love, life, and times now. And time now. But some of these other ones are really hard to read. It says, remember the good things and forget the unpleasant. That's great news. That's true. After that, be thankful and move on to the sun, I think. Feel the warmth of life and stay for time. Stay for the years, it looks like. Believe in yourself. I am because I think I am. If I think I can. I think that's what it says. And from small beginnings comes great things. They try your best. Okay. It was a little difficult to read at first, but I struggled through it. And I thought I would do a quick stamp so you can see what these look like. Let me get out another page in this book, and let's do some stamping. And I also have some scrap paper right here, and let's just see what this looks like. I can only find my ink. Where is my ink? Okay, here's the ink pad. So this is just a standard black ink pad. Says the best. I haven't tried these yet, and I don't even know if this is I might have to use a better ink. This might not be very good. Let me see real quick. Okay, I'm not satisfied with this ink. Let me grab a better ink pad. Hang out. Now this is the good inks. VersaFine Clair. I love it. Because you can, first of all, it inks up very nicely. And second of all, you can use watercolors on top of this ink without it running. The best wishes for you, okay. Okay, I got a lot of the edges there. I can probably have done a better job. I'm going to try just to get the very top part. And that's why I brought out the small inker. I have to have a better touch, a lighter touch, and it will come out nice. Believe in yourself. Let's try this one. Came out nice. That's a better inking. What I like to do with stamps like this is rip apart the paper and use it in collage. It is a very nice stamp set, and I'll have to play with it a little bit more. But there you go. That's how they look. And then you can just take it and rip it out. Maybe ink the edges. I don't have my blotter here. I know that for sure. So let's just ink the edges. I just got back from my retreat, which I'm going to do another video on. So I have that's my supply bag. And there you go. So that is EB. I highly recommend you check out their shop. They have beautiful sets of washi. The set I showed you is called Starry Divination. That's these. You can make some nice tabs. You can make tags and tabs. Tags and tags, just a couple of things you can make for your journaling. And then the stamp set, which is the retro 8-piece set. I will leave link in the description box below if you're interested in checking any of these sets out. And I'll provide the discount code as well. I so appreciate you coming by today to watch what I made. And if you have any questions, ask me in the description box below. Okay, guys, I will see you all in the next video. I so appreciate your time. Take care. Bye-bye.